Is he Canadian? Is he Canadian?
No, he's American. No, he's American.
Is he in the United States? Is he in the United States?
Yes, he's in New York. Yes, he's in New York.
Are you and Mary students? Are you and Mary students?
I'm a student. Mary's a tourist. I'm a student. Mary's a tourist.
Are you from Rome? Are you from Rome?
No, I'm not. I'm from Madrid. No, I'm not. I'm from Madrid.
Really? Is Madrid beautiful? Really? Is Madrid beautiful?
Yes, it's beautiful. Yes, it's beautiful.
Hello? Hello?
Hello. Is Peter there? Hello. Is Peter there?
Yes, he is. Just a minute, please. Yes, he is. Just a minute, please. What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm watching TV. What about you? I'm watching TV. What about you?
I'm studying. I'm studying. Hi. Is John home? Hi. Is John home?
No, he's not. No, he's not.
Well, please give him this letter. Well, please give him this letter.
Sure. Sure.
Please don't forget. It's important. Please don't forget. It's important.
Don't worry. I won't forget. Don't worry. I won't forget.
What's your occupation? What's your occupation?
I'm a student. I'm a student.
Really? Really?
Yes. I study at the School of Arts and Sciences. Yes. I study at the School of Arts and Sciences. What about you? What about you?
I work in an office. I work in an office.
Are you a secretary? Are you a secretary?
No, I'm a translator. No, I'm a translator. Excuse me. Where's the museum? Excuse me. Where's the museum?
That's the museum over there. That's the museum over there.
And is there a library near here? And is there a library near here?
Yes, there is. There's a library on Main Street. Yes, there is. There's a library on Main Street.
What about a post office? What about a post office?
I'm sorry. I don't know. I'm sorry. I don't know.
Excuse me. What time is it, please? Excuse me. What time is it, please?
It's 4 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock.
When do you go home? When do you go home?
I go home at 5:30. What about you? I go home at 5:30. What about you?
I leave at 5:30 too. I leave at 5:30 too.
How do you go home? How do you go home?
I walk. How about you? I walk. How about you?
I take the bus. I take the bus.